Today in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy F14, and in this video I would like to figure out what is the maximum camera zoom value on this device. So without further ado, I will launch the camera app, make sure that I'm at the default photo mode, and now let me zoom into some object and see what is the zoom value it will cut me off at. I will need to exit the high resolution mode, and as you can see, the maximum or the highest or the furthest I can zoom in is tenfold, or the maximum zoom value is 10x. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.